2009 Mitsubishi Lancer, 4-cylinder standard. We put one of these on it, stainless steel muffler. Cut off that gigantic muffler that was on it. Go ahead. I like it. You like it? It still has the resonator on it. He's gonna come back in a week to cut that off. Give it gas. Again. Go to back it up. It's perfect. Not too loud, not too quiet. If you want to get the resonator off, you make it like 30% louder. If you want to take, you know the other one I show you in the middle? Yeah, if you want to take that one off and make it louder.
Really?
Yeah. So drive this for a week, see how you like it, and then go ahead. Again. Let you guys hear on the inside. Mitsubishi Lancer.